All right, so I'm going to show you a favorite superset of mine for the core is shoulder taps and then toe touches. So shoulder taps a lot of people do, and I hate how they do it. People do these very wrong. So a lot of people, they do shoulder taps like this, right? The entire point of a shoulder tap is that when I lift this hand, that now I have 3 points of contact with the ground. So what I want to do is make my time with only those 3 points of contact as long as possible. So instead of going like this, what I want is this, nice and slow. Now I'm working. Every time I touch, I'm going as slow as possible. The longer I can hold here, the more work I'm doing. The other mistake is that people shift like this, right? So now all I'm doing is taking all this weight when I lift this hand and shifting it onto this arm. Instead, when I lift this arm, I want nothing else to change in my body. So it's as if I was balancing a cup of water right here. I should be able to do this without that water spilling. So the less motion through this body, and the slower I go, the more I'm going to work, the more effectiveness I'm going to get in the core. So I'm going to do 10 reps like that, 10 slow reps. Then we're going to go toe touches, which is kind of the same idea, but now I'm using the toes. So I'm going to start feet more together, and I'm going to lift and tap out as far as I can. 1. Nice and slow. Again, the slower I go, the more my body has to work when that foot is off the ground. So I'm going to do 10 shoulder taps. It's okay to have my feet a little wider for the shoulder taps. And then 10 toe touches as a great core superset. I love it as a warm-up. I love it as a finisher. Give it a try. Let me know how it goes.